Hello students, in this video we will discuss the book work of chapter 1st computer network of class 8 of computer subject. So let us discuss. In the book exercise, first question is objective type question, and let us see. The A part of question number 1 says that which of the following is not an advantage of network. So let us see. Speed in the networking system, the sending and receiving speeds are very fast, so it is advantage. So this is not the answer. Cost effectiveness, the networking makes the system cost efficient, so this is also not the answer. Has its own brain. And next one is centralized software management. When in networking systems, the softwares are networking in softwares are installed at one system, and they are shared to the nodes, so this is also not the answer. Here third option, has its own brain, it means this one is the correct answer. This is not found in networking system, so it is third answer shows that the third option is the answer. A network has its own brain. This statement is wrong. A network has no brain. Here the next question is PAN stands for. We know that the full form of PAN is personal area or personal area network. So here its full form will be personal area network. And then we will discuss here where is the option. This one is here. This is fourth one. So the answer will be fourth one. PAN stands for personal area network. That is why this answer is right. Here the next question C states that which among the following allows communication over a larger geographical distance. We know the different types of the networks, and here PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN and wide area network is the network which provides communication over a large geographical area. Therefore the answer will be wide area network. Clear? Now next question is, name the network architecture that allows communication over a network that allows each node to have same responsibility. The network architecture in which each node has same responsibilities is peer-to-peer. So what is the answer? Here the peer-to-peer will be the answer, right? Now next one is a networking device that is used to connect several computers together in a network. And what is that? That is hub, right? That is hub. Clear? The answer is hub. Now let us see true false here. The second question, in mesh topology all nodes are connected to every other nodes. Yes, in the mesh topology each computer is connected to all the other computers, so this option is true. Clear? In Wi-Fi technology uses radio frequencies for very short range communication or handheld devices. No. Clear? So this is false. Now next one, repeater is a little USB gadget that permits you to connect to the web. No. What are repeaters? Repeaters are the networking devices which are used to amplify the signals, right, in communication wire. So this is false. Clear? This is false. Now next one, GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Yes, this is the full form of GPS. Therefore, this is true, right? Next one is infrared communication is used in WAN. No, in wide area network, infrared is not used. That is why this is false. Now here fill in the blanks. Here the words have been given which are to be filled. So let us start. A dash 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 is a network device that is used to connect two LAN. And what is this? Two local area network are connected by using bridge. That is why it is bridge. Now next is a router is a network device that forward data packets along network. Here in the device which forwards data packet is router, so it is right. C, in the C, here repeater is utilized for amplifying the signal. So in the C, repeaters will be filled. Now in D, a dash 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 topology uses a single length or transmission medium, bus topology. So here bus will be filled. Now next, in star topology, all nodes are connected to central node. So star will be there. Here star will be filled. And in this, hub is used or bridges can be used, right? So this is all about the bookwork of chapter number 1.